What's up guys and welcome to a new vlog. We are in the Mile Lake National Park and yeah, we already have put in our solar and the Starlink. Everything's powered and now we are putting the rest of the camp up. We're staying here for 3 days, 3 nights. The beach, yeah. We've been, like the last month, we've been inside Australia mostly and haven't been on the beach. And we got a beach access over there. So this is really, really nice. So we're gonna get some really nice beach sunsets. We got a little bit of a problem. We have our front battery connected with our second battery and the cable here hit the tire, which is not good. But yeah, we just disconnected it from the front battery and then we need to buy a new cable. Yeah, it's alright, eh? Alright guys, it's time to go to the beach, go for a little swim.
Can't talk to me the way girl talk, the man fall back, come correct. All vanity, this life it beat the man, till a man come regret. You probably see Columbus search the word for the word intellect. One trying to see the one consequence, just follow one come collect. Say you want come pre me, I be like show, I be MTV. Them they count 1, 2, 3. It's a good kid for your mad city. Say they want come see me, I be like so with all a man yadi to glorify me Lord. Can't talk to me the way girl talk, the man fall back come correct. All vanity, this life in beat the man, Solomon come regret. You probably see Columbus search the word for the word intellect. One trying to see the one consequence. Yeah, me feel sing along there. It's a blessing. For this life, you know small till a lesson. Holy Father, we pray for your mercy. While me and my guys steady flex. Yeah, yeah. Pull up, Kwame. West side, it goes in my vape on me. Yeah.
We walked the beach access trail and thought that we can drive in here with our car. The thing is, there's a sign, authorized vehicles only, but this gate is open and you can just drive around there. So we're thinking about packing the camp up again and driving onto the beach because it's so much better to sleep on the beach. But it's a little bit of a flip because if we are on the beach and then the gate is closed when we want to get out, it's not really great. And we saw a car driving on the beach, so it could be that this was like the ranger and he's going to kick us out. Yeah, but we're gonna walk back to the camp and then we see what we're gonna do. All right, everything is packed up. We're driving to the gate now and see if it's still open. If it's not open, we thought about going to the other beach access. There's another one, but I think the beach is like really small and you're probably not allowed to sleep there. So we'll see if we stay there or maybe we come back to this place again. Yeah, but it's New South Wales or East Coast in general. You can't go nowhere. Everything is restricted. So yeah, you need to do the best out of it. All the illegal shit. All the illegal shit. gonna put the tire pressure down a little bit more because the car is like really pushing, and at the end is like it's alright. Yeah, and we talked to some people over there. They said it's illegal what we're doing right now, but yeah, we didn't saw them, they didn't saw us. So we're just driving all the way to the end of over there. We're hopefully gonna stay the night. There we are! Good morning. I just woke up because I saw a car over there, but it just disappeared again. Hey, it's fucking amazing. Just sleeping on the beach. The sun rising over there. Fortunately, the clouds are really low, but the sun goes over there. This is gonna look so good. Jasper is still sleeping. I don't even know what time is it. What time it is? I think we're gonna wait till the sun rises, and then we'll maybe go back to sleep. It's always hard to tell you guys what we're doing, because most of the time, especially in these places, we're doing nothing. Yeah, so currently we're just chilling. I did a lot of, I made some videos for Instagram and TikTok, and now we're getting some breakfast. And it's getting really hot right now, so I really want to go into the water, but the water is also looking kind of scary, because the waves are so huge, and I think I think the water can really pull you back into the ocean, which is kind of scary. These places, they are so good, yeah, so good, and we haven't had many of them on the East Coast so far, so yeah, it's really great. Jar that I take it too far. Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. Crazy. Jasper and me have been playing Clash Royale for the past 3 hours, I think, which is disrespectful to the place where we are. But right now it's kind of looking to rain. The guys from yesterday who fished are here again. This time they are with 3 cars, but I don't see anyone right now. I think they are on the cliffs over there, and I don't know, going for a walk, something like that. Ah, there's someone. Yeah, but it's looking to rain. Tomorrow it will be raining again maybe. Yeah, and we've been to the water once, and it's so crazy. You get pulled in so easily, and it's so fucking cold. Yeah, and again, I underestimated the sun and got like sunburned because I didn't put sunscreen on. Yeah, Australian sun is lethal. Jasper, what are you doing?
Back in the lobby.
Back in the lobby. Fucking Clash Royale. Good morning, guys. Already have eaten some breakfast, but the weather is looking really bad, really cloudy. It also has been raining the night. So we decided that we're going to leave right now. So we're packing everything up and then we're driving back over the beach, and hopefully the gate is still open. Otherwise, we're gonna have a real problem. And we need to figure out how we are getting out of here. Let's go! Let's go! Tire pressure already seems pretty flat, eh? I think we just leave it like that, and we're just driving a little bit slower, like the last time. One good thing that it rains tonight is probably that the sand, it's really hard, so it's gonna be really easy to drive over it. But hey, these waves, I don't know if it seems like it on the camera, but they are like so big and it's actually really scary. I'm gonna show you right now. They're crashing so close to the edge, and it's like it's really cold, and it's dragging you crazy inside of it. This car looks so massive, it's crazy. And then with this scenery all over here, yo, look at this. are so fucking lucky. There were a guy who saw us on the gate, and he had a key, and he turned around and yeah, let us out. Damn lucky. Damn fucking lucky. Hell yeah.